Hello student, welcome to the lecture. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the comparison between the atomic orbital and molecular orbital. In previous lecture, we discussed the introduction of molecular orbital theory of covalent bonding and assumptions of molecular orbital theory. From this assumption, we clearly concluded that how the structure of molecule. A molecule is made up of number of atoms. Now, in this lecture, we are going to discuss the main differences between the atomic orbital and molecular orbital. Let's see. Is monocentric. Mono means one. Monocentric means that it contains single nucleus, whereas in molecular orbital is polycentric. The molecular orbital is polycentric. Contains one atom. More than one atoms. Whereas the second difference is that atomic orbital is fixed in a space. The nucleus of atomic orbital is fixed in a space. Whereas in molecular orbital, nuclei constituent atoms of element, are fixed at their proper relative orientation. The things they are named as S, P, D and F orbitals. They are named as various sets of quantum numbers. They are named as sigma, pi and delta orbitals, and they are also determined by various sets of various sets of quantum numbers. Then the fourth difference is that we can write here. Derived from a particular atom they are derived from constituent atoms. Then the next point is that the filling of atomic orbital, the filling of Fourier principle. The next is that the filling of molecular orbital by Fourier principle also. The next is that has the atomic orbital have a definite size, shape and energy. Whereas molecular orbital have shape, size and energy of molecular orbitals depends upon energy of their constituent orbitals of constituent atoms. The next difference is that the sixth difference we can write here. Seventh difference. As we know that filling of electron in atomic orbital is depend upon the Hund's rule. According to Hund's rules, and at least maximum 2 electrons are filled. So here also in atomic orbital, the atomic orbital accommodate atomic orbital can accommodate maximum electron maximum 2 electron with opposite spin. Also, the molecular orbital can accommodate two electron with opposite spin. Now the next is that as we know that the electrons in molecular orbital or any atomic orbital can fill according to the Hund's rule. So here also obey Hund's rule for filling of electron in atomic orbitals. The molecular orbitals obeys Hund's rule for filling of electron in molecular orbitals So these are the differences between the atomic orbital and molecular orbitals. Now we will stop here. In next lecture we are going to discuss what are the principles of linear combination of atomic orbitals. Thank you.